have these little erasers. They're real cool. And for today, we're going to make a rocket. So we just start as a big rectangle, then a skinnier rectangle with a little line. Draw the triangle. Now these ovals. Now erase that. These erasers are real cool. We should get them also anyway. And now some flames. And then a circle. A little person waving. And that's how you draw a rocket. Now it's time to color it in. So, first you're going to do a rectangle. Try not to cover the stuff the detail. That's my sister. I'm trying to stay in the lines. I'm not pretty good at that. But you guys can do it way more different. Like if you're good at keeping them in the lines, you can do that. Can you hand me the orange? Wait. First I'm going to use the black. Take your orange one and color in the flames. And that's how you draw a rocket. You can get these online down below. Just click on the computer and find them online. Bye.